By the end of this video, we'll have this website with a widget that allows instant language switching. For example, the website was originally in French, but as you can see, it's now in Arabic, Italian, German, English, etc. Follow me to see how to do this. Hello and welcome to my channel Anis Academy, where I provide premium quality tutorials for free on YouTube. Today I will teach you how to translate your WordPress site into multiple languages in just 5 minutes. Let's go! Step 1. Install the GTranslate plugin. GTranslate is the best plugin for translating WordPress sites, supporting over 104 languages and many other options that we will see together today. First, let's log into our WordPress admin panel, WP admin. Once logged in, go to Plugins, click Add the New, and search for GTranslate. The plugin will appear instantly. As you can see, it's one of the best plugins with over 4,000 5-star reviews. Click Install Now. Then activate. Just a note, you won't find the plugin directly in the left sidebar like other plugins. Instead, go to Settings and here's below GTranslate. Click on it to set it up. Let's move to the next step. Step 2. Set up the plugin. In this step, we will set up the plugin settings. The first option is widget look. It lets us customize the widget appearance. By the way, the widget is the tool that permits us to switch the language. Now we have chosen float option, but we can change it, for example, to a nice drop down with flags. You can see it changing in real time. You can also customize the title color, interface color, and other features you can see by yourself. You can also choose a pop-up. This means the language switcher will appear as a pop-up window where users can select their preferred language. Flags option. The widget will only display country flags without text. Language names option. This option displays the language names directly, just as you can see now. We keep it as float because it's the best choice. Second option, translate from. This option defines the original language of your website, the language in which your website was initially written. For example, our website here is in French, so we select French as the source language. These two next features are only available in the premium version, so we will skip them for now and stick to the free version. Native language names. This option allows language names to be displayed in their native form. By default, language names appear in English, for example, Arabic, French, Spanish. If you enable this feature, they will appear in their own language. For example, Al-Arabiya for Arabic, Français for French, and etc. Auto switch to browser language. This setting makes your website automatically detect the user's browser language and display the website in that language. For example, if your Google Chrome is in French, the website will automatically open in French. Show in menu. For example, if we select primary menu, the language switcher will appear in the top navigation menu of your website, as you can see now. Show floating language selector. If you remember, in the first option, widget look, we set the widget to float. So show floating selector option allows us to change where to place this float widget. Top left. The widget will appear in the top left corner of your site. Top right. the widget will appear in the top right corner of your website. We will keep it at the top left because it looks better. Open widget direction. This option controls how the widget opens. Right, the widget opens to the right. Bottom, the widget opens downward. Here, you can select all the languages that your website will be translated into. For example, we selected Arabic, English, French, German, Italian, etc. Check all selects all the languages, and check all deselects all the languages. Last option, custom CSS. This feature is for web developers. It allows you to add custom code to modify the widget's design. You can leave it empty or use ChatGPT to help generate the right CSS code. Before finishing, don't forget to click Save Changes to apply all the modifications. Now, after completing the step, this is how our multilingual website will look like. A professional website with an easy-to-use language selection feature. Before discussing the premium version, I hope you liked this video. Don't forget please to like it and subscribe to our channel to follow our latest tutorials on web development and artificial intelligence. GTranslate offers 5 different plans, each with different prices and features. You can check them directly on their official website. You also get a 15-day free trial. If you don't like the plugin, you can cancel anytime. You can choose monthly or yearly payment plans. If you pay annually, you get 2 months for free. I'll be making a new video in the next days where I will talk about these premium plans and explain all their features. I hope to see you there. Bye.